Om is a natural sound. Om has 3 letters according to Sanskrit. A, U, Ma. If we write in the Roman script, it is also A, U, M, Om. A means Brahma, U means Vishnu, Ma means Mahesha or Shiva. So Om is the combination of 3 powers. Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva is God. A is creative power. U or U is sustaining power, operative power. And M is destructive power. So the Om is a combination of 3 powers. God is same. G stands for generation or generative power. O stands for operative power. D stands for destructive power, God. And this, but it is a very powerful sound. So the Om is a natural sound. It connects you all the way to the God. It is the combination of God. So it is up to you. In everything, in every person, Om is hidden. And Om is very, very powerful sound. This sound I always recommend. I recommend you all the time that follow this sound. It is practical. Just repeating inside of you, not saying it loudly. It still benefits you. But if you will repeat in certain way, it really benefits you physically, mentally, and spiritually. That is the significance of Om.